Question 42 asks us to find x when y equals 6, and the equation that it gives us is in word form. So it says, if x minus 3 is directly proportional to the square of y, and x equals 5 when y equals 2, find x when y equals 6. This does seem a little daunting at first, but just write out exactly what it's telling you. So x minus 3 is directly proportional to, and the symbol for that is this. And then it wants to know, it says it's directly proportional to the square of y. So you would write k times y squared. Now let me explain to you why this works the way it does. Directly proportional means that they grow or decrease at the same rate. So for instance, and they're related to each other. So for instance, the amount of money that you make, your earnings, is directly proportional to the hours that you put in for work. So it would be earnings is directly proportional to your hours put in for work. And so if you got paid say 20 an hour, then that would be your constant. This k is a constant, and that's how much it grows. So you can't figure out your earnings only just by how many hours you work. You need to know how much you're making for every hour that you work. That will be your constant. So we need to find exactly how proportional it is. So we know it's directly proportional, but what is that proportionality? That's why we put the k here. And it says y squared, so we just put y squared. So now we go about using the information that we already have. So they told us that when x equals 5, it's because y is equal to 2. So we're going to plug that in. 5 for x, and we're going to, since we're solving for k, we're going to set them equal to each other. And then y squared is 2 squared. Okay, so then we're going to get 2 is equal to k times 4, and then divide by 4, and k is equal to 1/2. So now that we know our constant, we can get rid of the proportionality sign, the directly proportional sign, and just go on to using our equals, and we can solve for x with the value of y that they gave us. So now we have x minus 3 is equal to 1/2 times y squared. And so they told us that this time y is going to be equal to 6. So x minus 3 is equal to 1/2 times 36. X minus 3 is equal to 18. And then you add the 3 to both sides, and you get x is equal to 21. And that's your answer.